Hi friends, I just want to discuss with you today on a subject, the art of maneuvering U-turns in life. When I say U-turn, you must be immediately getting into the mood of traffic signals. Where are the advantages U-turns and where doesn't have? When you want to go in the right place, probably the U-turns would have been stopped. You have to take a deviation and go further for a kilometer and then come back again. I'm reminded of my earlier days when I was going along with my parents, especially with my daddy, to Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, wherein we have got enough number of elephants. There is a sanctuary for elephants. They nurture elephants, grow them, feed them on a regular basis, and use them for so many errands in life. People always used to visit. Naturally, like every child, I was also fond of elephant. And in fact, I was asking my daddy, I want to go see people are going on a ride in the elephant. I want to have a ride on that. He said, definitely, I'll take you in the elephant for a ride and you will enjoy it. Before that, I just wanted to ask you one thing about the elephant. Suppose for some reason the elephant is getting into an angry mood and start getting wild. If it chases you, how do you overcome that? He asked me. I said, it's very simple. I can run faster. Elephant is so big, it cannot run faster as I am. I'll run faster. I'll sprint. I'll go like a sprinter and run through. My dear son, understand one thing. The elephant can also run so fast. It can run the speed with which you are going in the same speed, preferably on a straight line. Nobody can win an elephant on a straight line run. You will be defeated. I was awestruck. I was astonished. I asked, how come, Daddy? It's so big. So much of weight. How does it? That's where you are mistaken. You have underestimated an elephant. It can run as fast as you can on a straight line. Beware. Then I asked him again, suppose, what is the recourse when it comes like that? There is one aspect. When the elephant runs behind you, you do one thing, stop for a while, have a big U-turn, and then start running in the direction where the elephant was coming. Then how is it? The elephant cannot take a U-turn so easily. Though it runs on a straight line very fastly, it cannot take a U-turn so easily. It has to wait, do so much of manipulation with the body and slowly make a U-turn. That takes a lot of time. By the time you can escape. This is the escape route from the elephant. And I asked him again, suppose it goes up or it goes down the valley, wherein you have to come back. You will have to make the elephant a U-turn, which is very, very difficult, almost impossible. The same example, when I've grown up in life, I just got recollected all these things. In life, in our career, in so many aspects, there is always U-turn. You will have to face U-turns, and I have faced U-turns also. How do you manipulate all these U-turns? I was doing my own exercises in my own way. But recently I read a book written by one gentleman, how to make the elephant U-turn easily. This is what he relates to the life of individuals who are career oriented, who are family oriented, who are doing in so many works to come up, raise the ladder, reach the pinnacles of life. There will be always occasions wherein you have to take U-turn. How do you do that? How do you get educated of these U-turns? It is sheer by your intelligence. your education, your knowledge, your attributed values in life, your interpersonal freedom and its limits, your global inferences, what you have known through by your education, and what you have been made to know through other medias. You'll have to inculcate all these things into proper perspective, where and which is necessary at what time. More than this, I have analyzed myself. Human is the only force who can do any turns in life, not like the animals. It's devoid of taking U-turn an elephant, whereas human can take right, left, straight, leap, up, down, and do so many things with his body. He is the one source who can do and do things according to his need and circumstances. That's the gift God has given us. You use that. You create a due diligence yourself of what values you have attributed. And do that approximately, knowing your strength and weakness. Use the strength where it has to be. Understand and underestimate your weaknesses and do underplay. This will help you to take out of a U-turn anywhere in life, either through a traffic signal or like an elephant. Even sometimes you can make the elephant to take a U-turn if you attribute such values to the animal. That is what is life, my dear. Have a nice day. Thank you.